You searched how to buy shares of Wendy's. Wendy's is a global fast food restaurant chain known for burgers and casual dining. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WEN. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy Wendy's shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Open the platform's search bar and type the ticker WEN or the company name. Locate the correct listing for Wendy's on NASDAQ to ensure you have the right stock before proceeding. On the Wendy's stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart that tracks recent trading. Confirm the company name, market NASDAQ, and ticker WEN to make sure this is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your Wendy's position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to follow the same steps.